Welcome back! In today's video, I'm sharing how you can get soap, glowing skin at home using an easy and affordable DIY skincare routine. Banana. Mashed banana. One to 2 tablespoons. Sugar. Optional white sugar. One teaspoon. Add coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. One soap, glowing skin at home. Try this simple DIY banana face mask for instant hydration and gently exfoliation. Apply it evenly to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently massage before rinse. This mask helps brighten your skin, remove dry skin, and leave your face feeling soft, smooth, and natural glowing. Give it a try and glow the natural way.